Hey everybody, today we're going to go over this masterpiece that you see in front of your face. I'm going to run through it super quick and explain why this is the most likely Elliott Wave structure that we are experiencing. Guys, Discord saw this structure first. This was yesterday. Premium Discord saw it before them. We knew this was coming before it even happened. We were all the way up here. We saw this move coming. We saw a hit off of this trend line that I drew in. It's Elliott Wave, baby. Get in the Discord and linked in the description below if you want to learn Elliott. If you leverage trade, use MEXC. It's got the lowest fees in the game. It's no VPN, no KYC. Linked in the description below is my affiliate link. Use that to support my work, guys. I really appreciate it. Enough of all of that. Let's get right into this thing. So, if you have watched my previous videos, I'm not going to go through the whole structure that we're in. We're just going to make this video short and sweet. And long story short, we are in a fifth wave impulse, in my opinion, in the form of a ending diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I'm going to call this an ABC here. So this would be a 3 wave, 4, and we're coming up for the 5th wave. Now what I have drawn is an interpretation. There's a lot of zigzags going on here, but that's the whole point of it. Now we could be on our way up, or honestly guys, this could come over, hit one more time to the low, and then come up. For some reason I feel like it wants to do that, but we'll see. Either way, the play is long from this area, and we're gonna have a zigzag, either an ABC or a double zigzag in the form of a WXY, something like that, up to our upper targets, take out this liquidity up high at around 45.5, 46K. All right, this is my primary scenario. Now after we hit this, we're gonna correct this wave on a larger scale, something like that. Excuse me. Come down, test this breakout, and then we can go up for one more impulse, one last hurrah, and then we really correct. So what I'm calling for, guys, is just what I see from an Elliott Wave point of view. Then we can call this a giant WXY, and we corrected this whole entire leg down from the all-time high. All right. Now yesterday, my original theory was that, let me get a cleaner chart. This move right here, that broke out of this move right here, I assumed we were going to get an impulse to the downside, and then we can call this a flat, and then we can come back up. But what had happened was it was instantly brought back up into the zone, and I told everyone in Discord, so it was immediately invalidated. So I gave him this other count that I was watching, and we were watching it. We knew it was a live count. So this move, we were already looking short here, and we killed it. That's when we pivoted. You got to be able to see these moves before they happen, see the potential of them, and be able to pivot like that. Cut your losses, get into a new trade, and you end up profiting when all is said and done. So that's where we're at, guys. Right now, I am saying this wave is either finished or might heel over for one more hit to the low, and then we come up and zigzag and break the high. Once we break this high, guys, I mean, I'm really looking to short this sucker for an A wave down, maybe something like that. Come into this liquidity zone here, and then we can correct out of it. But yeah, I mean, this is looking good. I mean, that's super bullish candle right here. There's no doubt about it. Extremely bullish candle. Everyone in the Discord, I hope, was long. I put the alert out in the premium Discord to long the box before we even got there. Hit it perfectly, and I hope my boys got in there. So Before I end the video, I'm actually going to look at the last video and see what the comments were. We'll go over a coin. I think Caradno had a lot of requests. Guys, request whatever you want in the comments below, and I will go over it for you if it's got enough likes or if I like your comment. I know there was a lot of Caradnos. Adrian. Alright, everyone, we're going to do Caradno. I know it pumped like crazy, so we missed the pump on it, but we'll take a look and see what we got. Caradno. Let's get rid of everything on the daily. Yeah, this pump was wild. Man. Okay. I mean, just at a glance here, I almost want to call this a flat, but it's ugly. We have an ABC here, an ABC here, and then we're getting 5 waves up. And then we'll come down for some more. But also, that could just be a finished wave. Either way, I'm looking for this to just do some of this action, recover this candle, then maybe hit up for one more high. So when I'm looking for this to really just flag out here. I don't think it's just going to shoot straight up like this, but I'm looking for this to flag out. When Bitcoin has its nice correction, I think this is going to correct nicely as well, and then we'll come up for one last pump, something like that, and that will be your finished 5-wave structure, like that. And then maybe you can call this whole thing a flat. It's an ugly flat. It's a very long, weird flat. Or you can call this the start of something. And we'll ABC down like that. And then come up for some more later. But I really see this flagging out at this point, guys. Correcting with Bitcoin when it corrects. And then we'll come up for one last pump. Maybe get a nice 100% pump. 150%er. So yeah, I would wait for this to flag out a little bit. Come down, recover some of this liquidity. And then we can head back out of here. Alright guys, quick video, that's all I had. I just want to update you on where we stand with the wave count. Again, I'm looking for a corrective wave that comes up and breaks the high to finish out this ending diagonal, and then we're going to correct on a larger scale. Appreciate you watching. Join the Discord, linked in the description below. Maxi, lowest fees, 10% off fees if you use my link in the description below. Thanks for watching. I love y'all.